All right, guys, just got this package in the mail. Just gonna have to open it up for you guys and show you guys what's up. Let me open this. Gosh, it's too adhesed. So what's up?
Yo.
With Mike heading to work?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nothing would happen to your vehicle.
No. Great. His whole handles is crushed.
So that's how the old vehicles work. You hit anybody and nothing happens to your truck.
You just die. You know what I mean? Those are the good days.
The vehicle lives on though.
Yeah.
All right. Here we go. I finally got the top part open, so let's stop the nonsense and actually... Oh my gosh! I just got glasses.
Nice.
Because of my vision. Alright, check it out. Oh, that's actually really cool. It comes with a cool case. I didn't even know that. Alright, and then we got some... Whoa. Some kind of pen. That's about to fall.
Alright, so I think that is a glasses case, but...
And then we got that, which is some kind of adjuster. Provide better vision to people around the world at a cheap price. Here we go, let's open it up. Here we go. What do you think, dude?
Oh, new sunglasses, damn it.
What?
I thought they were gonna be like actual glasses.
Yeah.
Well, they're sunglasses, but you said you needed glasses, so I thought you got... Because in the case it came in, I thought it was like legit glasses to see better.
It is. Prescription sunglasses? Well, that's the option with this website. You can get regular glasses, any style you want. You can get sunglasses, prescription sunglasses. There's this one guy in my class that always wears sunglasses. So I do really like this case. First of all, I'm going to say something about this case. Global Online Optical. Check it out. What do you think? Firmu. And it has pictures of maps. Pacific Ocean. That's actually a really cool case.
Yeah.
Alright, so, and not only do you have a case, but you also have a case covering your case, so that's really awesome. And then of course, let's get this out of the bag. Oh, look at those stacks. I saw that guy before. Those are 22s on it. Alright, so these are actually really nice. As soon as I pull them out, Mike said, damn, those are the coolest sunglasses I've ever seen. So check these out. Holy crap. The attention to detail, and it's so satisfying to just snap these in place. It almost stays in place. See, it's not, I could do that and they stay in the place. It's actually a very, very snug fit on how they designed that on the sides. And I love the tint. Check that out. Gives you a very nice vision. Wow. Honestly, I don't think I've been amazed by sunglasses like this before. So let's try them on for the first time. What do you think?
Nice.
Alright, so we just made it here to the gym, and I think I should work out with these on. But yeah, these are actually really nice. Keeps the sunlight out and everything. It's just like how sunglasses should be. Actually not a pen, it's a tool to adjust. But yeah, the quality of these are actually really nice. But I mean, so what are your thoughts about these? Would you buy yourself a pair?
Yep.
Alright. And I got these from Firmu, nice company to work with, and it shipped actually pretty fast. And they're pretty good sunglasses. I mean, haven't worn a style sunglasses like these before, but because of how nice they are, I might actually start wearing them again. Although I wish they were a little bit darker.
They're fun.
My review on these, I'd say they're actually really nice. Look at that design. Is that carbon fiber? Look at that. Is that carbon fiber?
It looks like it.
Oh my gosh. These are sick. Alright, so if you guys want a pair, check out the link in the description or go to firmu.com. These are actually really cool sunglasses. Now, I hope they make the Ray-Ban style, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It'd be really cool. The ones that I always wear on video. If you guys make a design like that, definitely send them to me because I will definitely wear those all the time as well. But these are really nice, and you will see these in future videos. So check out that link in the description below. So we made it here to Gold's Gym, about to get in a crazy workout, and then we got a lot planned for today, so let's head in and get that workout on.
Big eye appointment.
So we're back out in the truck now, had a great workout, and what happened was that it was the Weem doing the nuisance job, and then I was off-roading at Gino. It was just too much for me, you know. straight into a tree.
You're lying, dude.
Did you get everything I was saying there?
The Weem was doing the nuisance job.
So do you get what I'm saying?
I think so. You said it was too much for me. So I crashed straight into a tree. There's no way that happened.
At Genol's Woods.
The Weem was doing the nuisance job at Genol's Woods and it was too much for me and I lost control of the tree. Yeah, King Ranch, bro.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Holy shit.
I haven't laughed like that in a long time.
I don't know what a nuisance job is. Look at this, assuming something I can't say.
That's something Max would say. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, well, first of all, I didn't know they made those in F-150 film.
Neither did I.
Oh my gosh, dude, that was hilarious. So anyways, yeah, this is the F-150, 95.
6.
And you wish you had the body style after this.
95.6, which means the year 956.
But yeah, it was a good chest workout. Towards the end, Mike was being a little skimper towards it.
Hey man, I haven't worked out in a while.
But that's gonna change this year. Resolution.
My New Year's revolution.
Here we go. Catch you in a sec. Gosh! Look at that Jeep, guys.
Oh, it's gonna be a bitch and a half turning left here. So
Alright, well, sorry about the abrupt turn here, of turn of events, but we're trying to head to a special spot, and I kind of do remember you just gotta head towards Pincho. So, I mean, you could...
Well, I don't know how to get the Pincho from here, that's the thing.
Who?
I kind of think maybe turn up by Trevor's house, old house, keep going, right? Left here to go to Trevor.
Really?
Go straight.
You said that earlier.
No, I'm serious. You go left right there.
You trying to hit him up? So I have a question for you. I was wondering, when are you going to put a snail on the Ford?
Snail? What the fuck is that?
Turbski.
Oh, never.
Don't you want some more top end?
Nope.
Why not?
I'm not trying to go fast.
Power.
Not on this thing.
Yeah.
The thing is, this is like the only vehicle I have, and I'm gonna keep it and modify it for the rest of my life. I'm not.
How long?
Once this thing, I'm probably gonna have this thing maybe another year if it lasts 2 years.
I'm saying 5 to 10.
Fuck that. No way.
You sure are gonna remember these days as the best days of your life. Alright, we crossed into territory that no other man has ever lived to see. It gets pretty bad down here, not gonna lie though. I don't think they really took that good care of the roads. Look at that. So what if they look out their windows, being the old timers that they are, and they say, what is that camera guy doing?
Fake news.
He would take it offensively because he would say he's the realest news that you can get. He'd say, I've been married with my wife for 65 years. Where are we at? Warrenton Township. It's getting a bit secluded now. See, originally when we first found out about, well, really explored this place for the first time, we took our bikes all the way out here, and believe it or not, Mike actually did some exercise. Oh my gosh!
Nice.
Not good.
Dude, this truck is so easy to fucking break loose. I'll probably crash, but I'll...
Is it because of your tires? Oh my gosh. Is it because of your tires?
Probably. Plus, this truck is just terrible in any weather conditions. It can be wet on the ground after a rain and I'll fucking slide.
Probably has a lot to do with the tires, dude.
Probably. Plus, they're small, so they're easier to spin.
So you need to get some big grapplers. Oh, check this thing coming out. Is that a 20? Oh.
See?
Gotta love these dream houses, right? The wife and the dog, you know what I mean?
Myself.
I heard you're getting married soon. Oh, look at that house. Car, dude. Body style dually before your truck and a 30s car. Holy crap.
You got the collection.
Dude, you don't see either of those.
No.
Oh my gosh. People out here have a thing for vehicles, dude. Ram, old 4 in the van. Alright, we are really getting out here now, dude. Oh yeah, and by the way, I just went to the dock. Guess what he said?
He's blind.
What is it?
A tree stand when you go hunting.
Do you think it's a dangerous job being a flower for out somewhere out here?
No.
Sliding.
Yeah, but you're in a big ass 4-wheel drive truck.
Same with this.
I'm not in 4-wheel right now.
Dude, it's so different here. Alright, are we gonna head to the top or just go right here?
We'll explore a little bit.
Oh my god.